In this video, we're going to show you how to check for updates and then how to install them so that you can keep the latest version of software on your computer and running your dyno. You have to be connected to the internet to do this. And once you start your software, if you go up to File, you simply click on Check for Updates. It's going to go out and search using the internet. Hopefully you have a fast one, and you'll see if there is an update, you'll see a screen something like this. Basically just do what it says, skip these, just download the box that's checked. It does give you some information about what this update adds and fixes. So click next, and it's going to download it. It'll download to your computer, and then it will automatically install it. We're going to have a few more screens to click on as we go, but they should all be straightforward and make sense. So once it's finally downloaded, we'll run through some checks. It'll start to install. It may ask a few questions. You'll get this little blue box, and for RD dynos only, this is where you want to go. And of course accept that. If this comes up, just automatically close. And you get the finish sign. Go ahead and click on that. We'll close that window. And you have a new icon on your desktop. Go ahead and click that. And it will launch the updated version, which you can see right here. 19.8.9, this particular version. And if you want to know what those numbers mean, they actually are a date. So 19 is the year 2019, 8 is for the 8th month, August, and 9 is for the day. So this version was released August 9th, 2019. And you have a few other numbers here that mean something to the software team. So your software is back up and running. You should have green on both. You can see the analog input is counting, which is good. You see the actuator, which is counting, which is good. That means they're both live and active. It may even be a good idea at this point to go to your live control and just do a measure stroke. That way you know everything is actually connected. You can run the dyno and you can measure the stroke properly. It's always a good thing when we're done with all this, just to make sure everything's reset. Hopefully it comes through and it tells us, I believe I'm on a 1-inch stroke, and it tells us the displacement is 1 inch, and it'll tell us something about an offset, which is part of the calibration, so you can ignore that. But here, yeah, stroke calculated at 1.01 inches, and you click OK. You go into configuration. Since this is new software, we just loaded it, we just like to click on the save icon right there, and you see it goes through and it saves, and you click off and all is good. And the last thing, we'll go back to live screen and tell it to go ahead and move to bottom dead center, so we are ready to begin our testing anew. There you go. That's how to check for updates, install them, have them ready.